Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing how to get Tushita. So let's go. Rip Indra, Rip Indra needs to spawn, and you fast go to Hydra Island. Get just do it like really fast. Get the pilot helmet, like it's the like one of the fastest accessories in the game. So you're gonna be going there like quickly. Jump. Go over here. Destroy this. Kill all of the ghosts. I can't kill the ghosts. You need to kill all of them. Then you go right up here. Just go up here. And this door will be opened. You're gonna enter it, and you're going right to. This doesn't go fast. You'll be having 5 minutes to get all the torches. Let me just go to the spawn point of the torches. Okay, so you will be spawning right here. So your quest now is to get all of the torches. So the first one is right here. Just come in here, like pick up your torch and like put it here, like just like get close to the torch and like you're gonna be putting it on fire. The second one is right there. Second one right here. The third one is going to be a little bit further. We're going to be going to here is the third. And then you're going to be going here. Then you'll go right here, go on the ship, and here's the fort. And for the final one, you just come back, go fast because you do not want to lose it, and here's the fifth. And sorry, when you get all of the torches, come with me. Damn, I think I'm getting sick again. Just come, your timer, you do not need to worry about like the 5 minutes, and you'll be going right here, just past where you have passed. And you're finally gonna be able to get Longma. Okay. So you need to kill Longma. It's like hearts. Let me just get my dark blades to see if I can just get it to kill it to be that. So yeah, let's try. Try to dodge like the attacks, and Longma will be healing his health like quickly. So don't let Longma like be regenerating himself. The Longma attacks like deal too much damage. So like try to dodge the, try to dodge them. I'm not able to kill Longma without T-Rex because, yeah, I don't have like mastery in it. No, the worst attack is this, because he will just, she or he will just be removing like so much health. No. Let's try to dodge like all of the attacks. Well, with the SM. Nope. Longma will only use like the only one attack, just keep dodging the attacks. There's like easy ways to kill Longma. Yeah, I died. So if you die, Longma will be returning to his original health. So like it's a little difficult, but if you have a combo like a fruit or status on fruit, it's gonna be like the easiest thing in the world. Just trying to dodge the attacks. I dodge it. And just try to kill. Nope. I hate the attack. Oh, good. Where is... Okay, so I'm doing good. Oh, I dodged the attack. Be sure to be dodging the attacks. They remove much health. So I do recommend using the Valk of Repinder. If you don't have it, just use like a good accessory that gives more health and stamina. I died, but when you kill Longma, you are gonna receive the Tushita. So yeah, that's the tutorial video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye guys.